Hi, I'm going to be reviewing 3 lovely wigs, all synthetic, from Amazon. If you want to see this makeup look, go and watch my little get ready with me. I've got it, I'll link it somewhere, either in the description or somewhere. So if you want to see that, I know it's very simple, but you might like it. Let's get right into the wiggies. I got this lovely green one, a white one with piggy tails, and a pink one, a lace front pink one. I've been wanting that one since the birth of my ancestors, so yeah, I'm a little, just a little bit excited to see that one because, oh my god, I'm kind of obsessed with pink. Yeah. So, comes in this beautiful little baggie. This one's from MapofBeauty. It's got the little warning sign to keep it away from children and babies, otherwise, yeah, danger. So that's good. I like a little warning sign. Comes with a wig cap, which I love. Oh, a black wig cap. I usually... a white wig with a black wig cap. That's difficult. Because it might show through. That wasn't the best idea. But that's okay. It's also synthetic, so it's going to have the little fringy range. So I guess it's not that big of a deal. So it's got 2 pieces. Open up. Synthetic. Superior quality. I love this photo, nice one. I love that. Oh my god, look at this one. 2 pieces. 2 pieces. With the hand. 2 pieces. I love that. Oh my god, that's really funny. These little sock boys. 2 of them. Perfect. Oh, I like that. That's aesthetically pleasing. Okay. I love the feeling of new wigs in the little box and taking them out and seeing what they look like for the first time. It feels very good. So, yeah. Oh, it's so heavy. I love it. Oh, god. Okay, so let's just. Oh, look at the beauty. Look at the beauty. I try and open it in front. Oh my goodness. Oh my god, look at that. Emotional. Look at this beautifulness. Oh my god, this is my first white wig. Oh my god, it's absolutely gorgeous. Oh my god, these are so beautiful. How am I going to maintain these gorgeous curls? Oh my god. Oh, okay, so these were packed inside of here, which is very neat and tidy. Oh, the fringe is actually way shorter. Oh no, it's not. It's not. Let's just look at that. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. She's beautiful. She's beautiful. She or he or they. Oh my goodness. I'm so emotional. Alright, so she's got this long fringe bit, which is really cool, so that you can customize it however you want. I love that. So I never know whether they're gonna have them short or long. This way you can decide. Yeah, beautiful. Okay, these little froggies. Whoosh. So to take them apart, I just opened them like that. And then to take off this little thing, I usually like to open them while I do it so that it doesn't rip. You have to be quite careful because sometimes they're tangled in. Let's watch the bouncing motion. Let's watch the bouncing motion. Oh, come on. Pinky, 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 pinky. They're way smaller than I thought, actually. I thought there would be a lot more. I guess if you do that, the hair kind of goes over it, but you can see the weft. Weft is these little things that you sew in. I don't know if you guys already knew that, but I like to give these little informations just in case. Okay, you see how it's all tangled in there? I get so much anxiety in this point. I'm scared that they rip. I hate when they rip. Plus, when they rip, I actually sew them back together. I'm a bit obsessive. It's not necessary, I just do it. Oh gosh, I need to be careful. Are they the same size? This is the one for the ponytail, and this is the one for the wig. They look pretty much the same, apart from the fact that this one has a bigger opening. Oh no, wait, maybe it doesn't. They actually look the same, nearly, actually. So the MapofBeauty white wig is 28 inches, so 70 centimeters in length, but it actually said in the description that the wig itself is 65 centimeters and the pigtails are 55 centimeters. The fiber is a Kanekalon fiber. I'll write down in the description exactly what that is. It's a thermostatic heat resistant fiber, so up to 120 degrees Celsius, which isn't actually a lot. My hair straightener only goes down to 150, so that's going to be a little bit. I might have to buy a hair straightener just for this, which is a bit intense, but apparently the ideal degrees is between 70 and 90, so oop. Okay, so put this one on. Oh, I can't see you. Hello. Oh my goodness. I mean, what? Oh. What? These long bangs are so confusing. Oh my god, I love myself with white hair, honestly. Wow. I've never, ever. Like, I used to have platinum blonde hair. I had it for like 5 years, maybe. But, like, I've never had proper white hair. It looks super cute. I love it so much. It makes me feel like a different person, but like in a better way. Wow. 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 I literally love this. Like, even without cutting the bangs, like, even like, this is so cute already. It's like I've got a little side fringe action. Like, look at this. I look sweet and cute. And I've even got the option of little baby bibbies. Yeah. Lolita. Yeah. I love it. I'm in love. I actually bought it in white because I wanted to get it in pink, but I wasn't sure if I'd like it. So I knew that a white one would have been like perfect anyway, because the shades of pink that they had weren't like 100. I wasn't 100% drawn them. So I knew like with the white it was 100%, and it's amazing. I'm so happy with this. Like, I want to go out right now. We're in quarantine, but I'm gonna go out right now. I'm gonna get arrested just to show off this damn wig. Like, look at me. I'm cute. I'm cute. Arrest me for being damn cute. Arrest me for being happy. Literally beautiful. That's so amazing. Plus with these like little cute little nails. Yeah, it's fast. I'm into it. I love how like when I take one off, my head just nearly went like. They're actually a little bit heavy. I like it with just one. Like, I love that little style. Like this. Oh my god. Who am I? What's my name? Oh my god. I'm gonna cry. Like, this is like one of the best wigs I've ever purchased. Wow. Like, in regards to like taste, like personality, the spice. I'm so overjoyed. It's actually ridiculous. I'm gonna take it off only because I have to. Like, I don't even want to. Like, I'm single right now and I feel like I deserve a boyfriend and I want to tell him, like, look how cute I am. Like, that's how I feel right now. I want my boyfriend to appreciate me. And I don't even have one. Like, what is that? It's given me a whole new life. I feel so sad that I have to put this away. Like, wow. Who am I? Gorgeous. Amazing. Gosh, I love this wig. Oh my god. I'm so happy. Like, what is this? Like, I didn't think I'd love white hair this much. Like, I knew I liked it, just not this much. I feel tears coming on. Yes, I am an overly sensitive person. Oh, I'm so happy. Off we go. Bye-bye. So I used the little wig cap that came with it. Got the green one.